Is artificial turf right for your yard? Growing healthy grass in the DC metro region is hard. Homes and fences block sunlight. Playing kids tear up yards. Dogs dig and pee. Bad for grass. Our local climate is changing. Affordable artificial turf is the solution to your DC metro grass growing woes. With fake grass, you can work less and enjoy more. No more lawn mowing, watering, weeding, or fertilizer. Just a lush, green backyard space for your family and pets to enjoy year-round without muddy feet, shoes, or paws. Turf clients are not only solving their muddy, ugly yard issues, they're using their turf to turn their yards into family retreats. We install putting greens, dog runs, and play areas. Instead of stone patios, clients add turf spaces for fire pits, entertaining, and dining. We love to share our turf love with you. Schedule a free estimate